car's sick, man. I don't care what anyone says.
It's a bit savvy.
World's fastest M140 in the world, guys.
Not world's fastest 5-door and grey. It actually is.
We don't even know if the thing's going to start.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is where things really kick off. This is the first proper video on my 1 Series build, and trust me, it's been a journey to get here. This car started life as a 1.16i, literally your basic entry-level hatchback, but you know me, it wasn't going to stay stock for long. So I hit up my boy D over at Salvage Nation to handle the big job. We grabbed a crashed M140, ripped out its guts, engine, gearbox, axles, diff, everything, and swapped it into this 1.16i shell. But that wasn't enough. I wanted more. We went full M2 conversion, including the wider arches, the fenders, bumpers, side skirts, headlights, everything. And then we got serious about weight saving. Flossman carbon fiber doors with plastic windows, carbon bonnet, boot, and even a carbon roof. Lightweight was the goal. Inside, fully custom. 1 carbon fiber bucket seat, carbon flooring right through to the boot, Alcantara dash, Alcantara roof and pillars, M2 steering wheel, M2 speedos, carbon kick plates, M Performance armrests, you name it, and I've probably swapped it. Honestly, my OCD's been in overdrive, but this car ain't about looks. It's about performance. Lightweight, powerful, street legal, but built with serious drag racing in mind. And today, we're heading to Tom Wrigley Performance to drop in a fully built B58 engine, which has been built for serious power. And with their X-Drive conversion happening too, this thing's gonna grip hard. But before we get to Tom's, we've got one quick side mission to complete.
Oh, the S3's here. Do you like the colour? Or what is it? Nagara blue, isn't it? He's like, what? I didn't know you could film. I'm like, bruh. Boom. Ultra wide, dismounted in the car. So you just go, wow, magnet that on. Everything's framed up, no bullshit. Sounds mad, isn't it? This is what I'm trying to say. So what you felt before, that was like 29, 30. This is 33. Nah, could you imagine 55? So on to what we're doing today. Guys, we're on our way to Camberley to collect a sick motor. We're talking Mark III Fiesta RS Turbo, highly modified. Everything's been done to this thing. Some of you may even notice this car from social media. It's had a lot of views, done a bit of racing. But today, we're not going to collect it. I'm actually going to have it recovered, but I want to check it out first because it's one of them older cars, classic. And I just want to make sure that she's running smooth. We have so many issues with these older cars. So yeah, I'm going to check it out, do my fake mechanic thing. You know what I do, innit? The fake mechanic and that.
This car looks scary on the outside, bro.
Does it?
Yeah, bro. I've never seen a car move like that on the road.
What's it, 330 brake, you say?
Yeah.
And what, 800 kilos?
Yeah, I reckon 800.
Man, these cars are legendary, bro. I absolutely love the cult following, isn't it, on these? My uncle used to have one of these, man. I remember him pulling up one of these at my yard. He had a grey Fiesta RS Turbo, man. So this all that comes in my head. When I see this, I think of my uncle. Like, it's a Mark III Fiesta RS Turbo, fully built engine, suspension moors. Look, it's got correct tyres. Been on Jamie's channel as well. Spent a serious amount of money on it. And it's clean, man. I love the white with the gold wheels. Even a test drive, that was literally an LLF car feature. This guy just literally booted it out. This must be his drag strip, but she's nice, man. I think this will do well on the website. I reckon 9p a ticket, put it on a weekly. One of my all-time favorite cars. If I was to have a personal car collection, a real personal car collection, not a YouTube car collection, this is definitely a car that will enter 100%.
Side mission complete. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I'll be taking that RS Turbo out for its first proper drive. But now, we're on to the main part of today's video. We're heading over to Tom Wrigley Performance to drop off my 1 Series for some serious upgrades. Big things coming for this build. And if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But anyway, let's keep it moving.
Tom Wrigley! What's going on, mate?
Yeah, you alright?
You alright?
Yeah, you?
Good, mate. Say hello to the camera, innit?
Mate, you alright?
Hello, mate. I'll park up and jump out, yeah?
Yeah, sounds
Yeah?
good.
Boy, look at my 1 Series, bruh. I don't know why, I'm just so proud of this car. Like, I don't care about any supercars. I don't care about no M3 Touring. I don't care about anything. I just care about that. Let's be honest. Is that not bad? In race car, mate. In proper Wrigley spec, man.
Yeah.
What you saying, man?
Bonnet's going to come out good. I'm well happy
Yeah,
with that.
yeah, they put the PPF over the top, didn't they? Fuck your little mic on, mate. Yeah, man, I think...
Just the windows, isn't it? And then
yeah, just the windows, yeah, I'll ring your guy. Just
you get
I
some
don't know,
slides.
things like that.
Get a slider in it if you want.
Yeah,
Put a
yeah.
GT slider.
Yeah.
So, obviously, when you need to speak to
Bit of
someone,
yeah,
pop
yeah.
it, because you've got no interior
Yeah.
for anything. But mate, it's
Yeah.
so light. That's like, we weighed some doors actually. They're like 25 kilos each.
Is that what they are?
So,
Okay.
and the boot lid as well.
Yeah.
I reckon you could save
It's got to be a good 50, 60, isn't it? At
minimum.
least, isn't
I
it?
was just thinking for now as well, if you wanted, we could just put 4 front wheels of these, because I might have another pair of them just for the X drive.
for a
so they
square.
match
Oh, yeah,
with a
yeah,
spacer.
yeah. Oh,
Just
yeah.
until you decide, because obviously I know
Yeah, it's not
with it
gonna
being a bit up in the air, nobody knows
Yeah.
what wheels to get. You don't want to order the wrong ones.
Yeah, so go square, you're saying?
But if we did square for now, obviously, I think
What,
I've got
245s?
two fronts. 245, you can get a slightly wider tyre on them. You could probably
Yeah.
go 265 square. That'll
Yeah.
keep the X drive happy.
Yeah.
And then we can have a play with these wheels.
Yeah.
What spacer, and then you'll know. Because that's about where you want it.
That's got that space needs to come off. Do you think? Don't you think it's a bit wide or no?
Yeah, it looks a bit strange here, doesn't it?
You do know how this bumper works, right? It's not an M2 bumper. It's the outside of a 1 Series
Right.
bumper, and they've mated like
Yeah.
the M2 in the centre.
Well, when I did mine, and mine was obviously on a 2 Series.
Yeah, yeah.
They're cool
oh,
to
yeah,
get a photo together with them.
Yeah,
Because obviously I
definitely. You still got it,
wide-bodied
or?
mine. Yeah, the original. That was the
Come on,
OG, innit? It's
man
in
like
there.
Tom, man, now.
It's Tom, yeah.
We're all cat and Tom, mate.
I know, literally, mate.
This is the actual fastest
World's
M140
fastest.
in the
Wow.
world, guys.
Not world's fastest 5-door grey. It actually is.
So yeah, this is done.
And that's the fastest rear-wheel drive one there.
Oh,
Just
shit, yeah,
aside
yeah,
from
yeah.
common beliefs,
Yeah.
that is the fastest one.
So
he's
that
actually going
is-
X drive. So funny enough, so the boys are just doing the work
wicked,
on it
yeah.
now.
So what's the deal? So this one's that 8.8.
That's
Is it
an 8.8,
or
yeah. This is an 8.6.
8.6.
But we kind of went back to do a bit quicker.
Yeah,
And
it'll do more,
just,
you reckon?
Yeah, we went on the Hoonigan day and it just kept raining and
Yeah.
just, it's definitely got more in it. Obviously it was only 72, 75, so.
Yeah, guys,
Yeah.
I'm gassed, mate. I
Yeah.
can't. Next year's going to be a madness.
It is, mate, definitely.
It's
gonna be
pure
awesome.
B58 talk, man.
There's always a lot of talk, but let's see, it should be good.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's nice to have some quick cars out there.
Man, just got a shitload of M140s in it.
I know, mate, I know, it's just a production line for these.
Exciting, Tom, man.
So yeah, that one's just updating the service, and then we can pull yours in if you want, and we'll we'll go get some of the bits out, get the engine out. It's over there.
Yeah, wicked.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so my name's Tom Wrigley. I'm at the shop. So Tom, we have all the parts laid out. We've got my engine. So I suspect this is all the X-Drive parts, right? For the
Yeah, it's not
conversion?
quite absolutely everything. There's a few other bits at there, brackets, but this is basically an X-Drive Meccano set. There's obviously brackets and stuff missing upstairs. Obviously, we've gone for the KWs as well as a little
Yes.
upgrade. Got the DSS axles, which are awesome. Got them on my G80. They're kind of the leader.
Yeah.
Got this carbon prop as well from East Coast Driveline. Upgraded front prop. all the rest of it's sort of original parts. We've got box all genuine BM parts there for the xDrive conversion. We've got upgraded bushes in the arms.
People that are not aware as well, they do an xDrive M140 in Europe. So UK, we don't actually have xDrive, but it is a car that comes from factory. So is the car ready? Is it a lot of custom work that has to be done?
Essentially, yeah. They make it comes off a production line. They keep a lot of the body itself. It's the same. There's a panel we replace, which is a genuine part as well.
So we have to swap the gearbox slightly different as well?
Yes, gearbox is different. Obviously, it has a transfer case on that's next door. You obviously got the stock one, obviously got your Decker one coming. But yeah, that's got a transfer case on, so essentially making room for the transfer case, which will come down the front, and then it obviously here's the front diff that drives there, which bolts the diff.
That little pansy thing there.
Yeah, that's it, mate. I know, mate.
So that is something, obviously, the power we're thinking about, that could be a potential.
That's the only slight concern. The rear diff, I think, will be fine. We use the M Performance diff, which is a super solid diff. It's built by a Drexler company, so they're solid, even though it's an M Performance part. Obviously the prop's done, but the front diff, there's no upgrade because obviously it was a very limited market. KWV3s, which are a good all-rounder. They work well on my car this year.
Fully adjustable, right?
Fully adjustable, yeah.
And prop shaft, that's carbon as well, sorry, that's an upgrade.
The rear prop's carbon, and then the front ones are still steel, but it's an upgraded version of the stock, so it's a bigger diameter.
Arms as well, been machined. You got what?
Bigger bushes in them, so they're more of a solid, like a uni-ball bush. And like, there's still another 2 boxes of stuff upstairs to make the full kit, but you don't want to bore everyone. Obviously,
got my Wrigley spec. We was going to have the engine built here, but obviously because we wanted to stroke it,
I didn't want to do it. The time weren't really ready. Obviously, I remember we went back a bit. You know, it's
2 years ago, isn't it?
Yeah, literally.
I'm joking.
But you know, it's Raz has done it now. Let's see what it looks like, mate. It's a 3.4 litre. I don't know of any Gen 1s that are 3.4 so.
Well, we don't even know if the thing's going to start because we've got Kelfords in, right?
Well, that was the only concern. I mean, the only concern, I don't want to, publicly bash anyone. There might be sorted, but it's obviously I put some of these in mine, and we had some running issues. So let's see what happens with them. But like I said, things might change. I mean, that was a while ago, so I don't want to sort of go into that.
So basically, guys, it's a sleeved, fully forged, as you mentioned. It's a 335 they do, isn't it? It's not 3.4. Billet crankshaft, so it comes with its own kit, doesn't it?
It's a full kit, so it's a rotating assembly. So obviously, we're 5150 UK for all the dealer for all those parts. So if anyone needs those, we can.
Man like higher than that.
Yeah, we can get that in.
And he did look after me as well.
He did, mate.
Looked after me.
You looked after
a lot of parts we've had to buy.
So that's a stroker kit. So we've got the crank.
Head's been fully machined as well.
We've got the valve, springs, everything. Obviously, turbo kit. Overkill going to sort that out for us.
So we still need to work that out.
Obviously we got a bit of an idea on the turbo, just something a little bit different.
Got the race manifold by RK.
Which looks nice, mate. Fairness, it's a huge core.
Living life fast, obviously. You know what I mean. We had to put the sauce on there, mate. B58 race. So this is their race manifold. This is their 3rd generation, basically. So we've basically. Oh, it's you, isn't it?
Yeah, sorry.
You're too popular, Tom. Too popular.
I know.
Some of you that follow the BMW scene, you'll know that there's been a lot of shit going on, man. Obviously, R.I.P. Dre, he passed away. You actually met him, haven't you?
You've been out there. He used to speak a lot. I mean, when I had my 240, I used to speak to him all the time with draggy times. It's super sad. But
man.
It's
reality check though, right?
Reality of the dangers that can happen, And obviously, Mikey the other day with Jazz, that's it's pretty serious, mate.
I'm trying to not, And they're BMs, isn't it? Like even when I was sitting and thinking about my GTR the other day, like when you do go to that level of horsepower, they all become uncontrollable. But a GTR is almost, it's a supercar, do you know what I mean? You're developing on a whole different platform. Look at, bro, it's a 1.1.6i.
I know, this is madness.
This is madness,
But we got to do what we can do.
So point being anyway is, safety is definitely, I'm not around that. I need a cage in it.
And I don't want to be taken on the street. It's just
I'm done.
There's nothing to prove with that, mate. I told you this ages ago. Just get to Santa Pod. It's fun there. You can enjoy it. It's fair. It's safer. And it's conclusive. That's it.
So this is another car of yours?
So this is my M2 competition. That's going xDrive hybrid.
Oh, you got an xDrive,
Yeah. So I'm going to do it more of a kind of streetable package. So if someone wanted a 1200 brake car on hybrid,
streetable 1200 brake,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm trying.
You're not big turbo hanging at the top.
People don't know. Well, people do know, but fucking this guy is just, bro, he's in a 7-second car. In a G80 in the UK. So we've always had this discussion. These guys are doing 7s in America.
We're there, mate.
If you was in America now, you'd be doing 7s already.
Yeah, definitely. The prep and stuff.
Yeah.
And also, you know, obviously got the R44 car that's in Texas now. So that's going to be a proper challenge.
That's your car, but
that's my
possibly
car
lighter, or?
Yeah, lighter. It's an M2, obviously, so it's lighter already. Same build, exactly the same. Same turbo, everything. So then we're doing a bit of Porsches now as well.
Yeah, I just noticed that. So we've got a Porsche turbo here.
Yeah.
What are we saying?
So we're doing stage 1, 2, and 3 packages for these soon.
Okay.
So
ES regulars.
10.1 that runs stock car, bone stock. 2.6 0 to 60. I mean, I will.
2.1, you say to 60?
2.6.
Fuck you now.
0 to 60.
That's just stupid, isn't it?
Mate, absolutely mental. Like I said, I won't be building them as crazy. The engine's not being built and stuff, but obviously you can still get crazy numbers. You can get very low 9s out of these, I think, stock engine. So that's just
Porsche technology, man.
Mate, they move differently. They're just crazy.
Well, you race them as well.
Yeah. Oh, mate,
You've raced them.
Exactly.
Incredible torque steer. Just a reminder, 2-litre C-Tech engine, 350 horsepower, 350, 380 foot-pounds, detuned, fully built engine, every boat. This ain't just a piston and rod job, everything. Fully built head, fully built block. But bro, she's dangerous. Very easy to drive though, guys. Apart from the super heavy steering wheel, gear shift is nice. Look, rev matching. I can barely hear you. It's got that Ford Focus ST type of torque steer. And you that used to watch my videos, bro, unpredictable torque steer. I can't believe this thing weighs 850 kilos. It don't feel it. Like this, you know what I mean? Guys, I feel sick, man. I've got the flu right now.
This car got the flu, right? You can hit the turbo, innit?
The car got the flu, yo.
The turbo sneezing,
and that. That's the treat of this car. The sneezing from the turbo. Yeah, I keep missing my 3rd gear rev mat. Second gear. Jesus. You know what you're doing. Got a Garrett GT30 turbo as well. Upgraded brakes, suspension, everything. Oh, that was a rev match into 5th. Bulletproof, this car though, it does not feel like it's gonna break one bit. It feels so raw. She just wants to turn into the bridge. Stall up, man. Quick, 5th gear. Stall it. Sick in the head.
The whole cabin in here is next level.
Yo, what's a right or a left turn? Lamborghini made the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheel spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Park where I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on